Hello students, now let us see the problem based on the Charles law. Okay, so dear student, this is the second question based on the Charles law. Already one question has been solved. The a sample of helium has volume 520 ml. Okay, so one sample is there, student. They are saying that is volume, they are saying 520 ml at temperature 100 degrees Celsius, and T is there how much, student? 100 degrees Celsius. 100 degrees Celsius, but Charles law is telling about the temperature in Kelvin. So you convert in Kelvin. 100 into plus 273 Kelvin. So how much will come, student? 373 Kelvin. Calculate the temperature at which the volume will become 260. Okay, so they are saying that is, if suppose the volume is increasing, student, if they are saying if the volume is increasing, okay, here is the volume increases. So volume increases how much? V2, student, it is increases how much? 260 ml. 260 ml. So T2 they are asking, student, how can you be able to do? Okay, so let us try to solve this problem, student. Since they are talking about the pressure is constant, student, okay, and amount of gas is also constant. So what we can write, student? Since pressure is constant, since pressure remains the constant, since pressure remains constant, therefore what we can write, student? Therefore, by applying Charles law, by applying what law, student? By applying Charles law. Okay, so if you are applying Charles law, so what you will be able to get, student? So Charles law is saying, student, V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. Okay, so V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. You put the value, student. V1 value how much is there, student? 520. You know, this is 520. T1 value 100 degrees Celsius they have given, you convert it into the Kelvin to 373. 373 is equal to V2 they have given, student, how much? 260 ml. Here is 260 ml divided by T2. So that is, if you cross multiply, student, so see what the value you will be able to get. You will get 520 into T2 is equal to 260 into 373. So T2 is equal to 260 into 373 upon 520. You solve it out, student. How much it is coming? It is coming, T2 is coming 186.5 Kelvin. Okay, 186.5 Kelvin. Suppose if you want to convert in the degree Celsius, convert into degree Celsius into degree Celsius. So what what we can do is, student, so T2 is equal to, we have to subtract from 270 no, from this temperature Kelvin minus degree Celsius. So what we can do is, student, 186.5 minus, that is 0 degree Celsius. So what is meaning? This is 186.5 minus, this is 0 degree Celsius, but we have to convert how to minus 273. So this is coming in the degree Celsius total value. So how much coming? Minus 86.5 degrees Celsius. Means what they are saying, if you are extremely cooling, so that is the volume will be reduced. So at minus 86.5 degrees Celsius, the volume will reduce 5 to 520 to 260. Thank you so much for watching, students.